Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to play 2K on Xbox Cloud Gaming, step by step. Xbox Cloud Gaming is a fantastic service that allows you to enjoy hundreds of console games on various devices, from your phone to your smart TV. To get started, you'll typically need an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, which unlocks a vast library. However, some free-to-play titles can even be accessed with just a free Microsoft account. It's a convenient way to game without needing a dedicated console. Before you jump into the game, let's ensure your setup is ready. You can use a wide range of compatible devices, including personal computers, smartphones, tablets, and even smart televisions. For the best experience, a stable internet connection is crucial. Aim for at least 20 megabits per second. You'll also need a supported controller, like an Xbox wireless controller, which can be easily paired to your device using Bluetooth. This ensures smooth and responsive gameplay. Now, let's get you playing 2K. First, confirm you have an active Game Pass Ultimate subscription or that you own a digital copy of the 2K game you wish to play. You can access Xbox Cloud Gaming directly through a web browser on your device or by using the dedicated Xbox application. Once logged in, simply navigate to the game library, find your preferred 2K title, and select it to start streaming. It's that simple to dive into the action. To truly maximize your cloud gaming experience, here are a few helpful tips. For the most stable and responsive gameplay, always opt for a wired internet connection if possible. If you're using Wi-Fi, connect to a 5 GHz network and try to minimize any wireless interference. Additionally, ensure your device is plugged in and positioned close to your wireless router. These small adjustments can make a big difference in your streaming quality and overall enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.